Here's what's new in catalog for Playdate for September 2023. Doink is a paddle game that changes as you play. Every point, you must choose a modifier. Some are good for you, some are bad for you, and some are just pure chaos. And be careful, modifiers add up and they last for the whole game. The Keyper is an adventure game where you play as the new caretaker of the Winchester 21 building, following the former caretaker's mysterious disappearance. Myriad secrets lie behind the many doors of a building older than the city itself. Will you solve the mystery or become part of it? Four Corners is an energetic puzzle game that asks you to do something simple. Make rectangles. That's it. Okay, not really. Each corner of your rectangle must be the same color. There are 3 different colors, and there are 100 squares to choose from. Then there's the timer, and a square counter that demands a certain number of squares. And did we mention there are bombs? There are bombs. Rectangles, bombs, bonuses. Are you a corner master? In Halfway to Dawn, you struggle to survive a night in a dystopian world where only a few humans remain after a mysterious monster invasion. The game's narrative has you scavenge the city for weapons and resources during the day, then fight off waves of monsters every hour at night when the game transforms into a top-down shooter survival game. Can you survive until dawn and outlast the monsters? Life's Too Short, Unhooked is a pirate horror adventure game featuring everyone's favorite little ghost. A mysterious message in a bottle calls a little ghost to reunite a pirate captain with his 4 wayward wives. Explore a tropical island as the series' spectral problem solver as you meet quirky characters, solve puzzles, play mini-games, and ultimately leave things in a better place than you found them. In Life's Too Short, A Christmas Spirit, return to the role of celestial problem solver, this time called back to the vampire's mansion where the Count and Countess are counting on you to save Christmas. Explore the mansion, meet various spooky characters, and solve simple puzzles in order to ensure baby Vlad's first Christmas isn't ruined. There's even a rap riddle battle between a skeleton and the Grouch. I.F.O is an exhilarating shoot-'em-up game where it's up to you to save Earth from the aliens. Using the crank, spin round and round to shoot down as many UFOs as you can, and rescue kidnapped livestock. Discover a handcrafted, pocket-sized world full of secrets in Resonant Tale. Play as the hooded adventurer, Light, awakening on the shore of a mysterious new land. Explore the musically inspired world, befriend its unusual inhabitants, and discover your part in restoring harmony to a land struck with discordance. Wielding sword, arrows, and bombs, will you discover all of Harmonia's hidden treasures and reunite the sacred bells? Pulse is a stripped-down action puzzle game made exclusively for Playdate. Your goal is to clear all of the game's 84 stages in a single run. On each stage, you must rush to the exit before the time limit expires. Failure will end your run. Pulse features online and local rankings with 5 user slots for local competition. Slitherlink PD is a logic puzzle game in a similar vein to Picross or Minesweeper, with 90 puzzles of increasing size and difficulty. Complete puzzles by creating a single line loop. Cells with numbers indicate how many of their 4 sides make up part of the loop. Use the crank to undo or redo your moves. Embark on an epic quest of revenge in this nostalgic retro action platformer built exclusively for Playdate. Play as Gawain, the last remaining knight of the Round Table, as you fight your way through the evil that Sorceress Morgana has unleashed in Castle Tintagel. Experience a bouncing ball's journey through a mechanical realm in Crankshaft. Overcome obstacles, test reflexes, and collect boosters to enhance your speed. Rotate the crank, build combos, and conquer challenges. You Cannot Go Back is a quick-to-play adventure game which will test your memory, skills, and reflexes. Can you make it through all 3 levels of the dungeon alive and escape with the treasure? Just remember, Dungeoneer, the only way is onwards. You cannot go back. In Pikki Rikki, you play as Rikki, a bunny who just can't jump. Even so, you'll be picking pick plants with the Playdate's crank to boost yourself up and add time to 15 speedy stages across 3 different worlds. An unmarked letter appears on your desk. A boy has gone missing. With work having dried up, you decide to take on the case. A dark and dangerous mystery awaits you in a haunted mansion in Pulpergeist, a classic point-and-click adventure game made for Playdate using Pulp.